The Wrong Cake by Katie Ffiord. I do understand the concept of stuck in traffic, said Betsy into her phone. How far away are you? Gah! He must have gone into a tunnel, she thought, as she was cut off. That didn't sound good, said the only other person in the foyer, an attractive man in a suit, who she took to be the manager of the hotel. Had she groaned out loud? She hadn't meant to. It's the worst. The cake I've made for a wedding today probably won't get here in time. She threw her hands in the air in despair. Then the bride will go onto my website to leave a dreadful review, and my tiny, precious business will die. The manager seemed confused. I'm sorry. When I saw you, I thought you were one of the bridesmaids. She gave a rueful laugh. It's the orange dress that suits no one, a dead giveaway. But I also made the cake, and I care more about that because that's my business. I'm only a bridesmaid for today, thank goodness. Thinking of the bridezilla upstairs in a bridal suite, surrounded by a makeup artist, a hairdresser, and a troop of her closest friends made Betsy shudder. Did Chelsea have some sort of hold over them all, like she did over Betsy, because she was making the cake and needed a good review? At least the dresses had pockets they could slip a phone into. But it turned out this was so the bride's attendants could be summoned at any time, even from the ladies' loo. If only she'd just agreed to do the cake and not got sucked into being a bridesmaid. She could have just delivered the cake and not involved anyone else. But she'd been delayed finishing it, and the icing needed to set before she could transport it, so she had to ask her brother to help. What could she do to save the situation now? There's a lovely cake for the wedding that's happening a couple of hours from now in the orangery at the other end of the house, said the manager. But I don't suppose that helps. Betsy's mind whirred like a fidget spinner. I think that could help a lot.